Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about Git. So what is the Git? Git is a software for tracking changes in set of files. Whatever files we are working, we just keep changing on that files, okay? But we are unable to track the changes. So for that purpose we use the Git software. It runs locally on your system, okay? And it is usually used for coordinating works among programmers, collaboratively developing software code during software development. So during software development, a lot of programmers are working together. Okay, so how we are going to manage that codes actually? So this is possible with Git. Okay, so how I will discuss in our later session. Okay, so you can download Git from any of these links. Okay, if you have Windows operating system, you can use this link to download and install. For Mac, this is this link. Okay, Linux or Solaris. Okay, so you can go to the website. Otherwise, for all platform, okay, you can get from the Git. Okay, from this link you can download. Okay, it's very easy. You can download by yourself. Otherwise, in my next video, I will try to tell you how to install. Okay, download and install. So first of all, we should understand how Git works internally actually. So we just, after installation, we just work on any, okay, there is our working directory, in which directory we are working on. Our all files are residing in that working directory. Okay, so for first thing to, do the version controlling, what we to track our files, okay, what are the changes we have done in the whole, life cycle. So first of all, we have to, from this working directory, any file, we may have one file, we may have hundreds of files. So we have to decide which files we have to, put for version controlling. So for that, we will just, add our, using git add command, we will add our files to the staging area. And these files, okay, which are we have put on the staging area, they will be monitored for version controlling. Okay, any file which is not added to the stage area will not be, controlled for the version. Okay, so working directory maybe 10 files are there, we have added only 6 files, so 6 files will be monitored for version controlling, and the rest of the 4 will not be monitored. Okay, then after staging area, we have decided that, okay, this is our final work, or not final, but we want to commit these, changes to our local repo. Okay, so these changes will be committed to local repo by git commit command, and this will be the final change. Okay, means this is our first version. Okay, now again, when this will be the, the changes will be committed in the local repo, then again you will be checked out to the working directory. Okay, then again you are working on, suppose you want to add now for 7 files, you just add 7 files here, and that 7 files, after completing the changes, you can commit to the local repo. Okay, and that changes will be, okay, finally committed to the local repo. So I hope I'm able to, describe, okay, you well, and you understand. So first thing is your working directory. You are doing in your work anything in your working directory, okay, it's okay, no problem, but you will not be able to monitor the changes. Version controlling will be not enabled. For that, you have to, you know add your files to the staging area. Means that now these files, any changes in these files will be okay monitored, and after doing the required change, okay, you will commit to the local repo, or anything committed to the local repo will be treated as the version. Okay, first change, first you created your files in working directory, you put on staging area, you you did the changes, okay, then you commit. So this is the first version. Again, you working on your directory, okay, working directory you are working on, and you have made some changes, you added to the staging area, okay, and now after staging area you have committed. So second version, okay. Now again you are working on your working directory, no files residing on the working directory, you have added to the staging area, again you have committed that changes to the local repo, you have third version. I hope I am able to describe it. Okay, we are not discussing the remote repo, okay, that is GitHub for now. Okay, I will discuss that in my next video. So let us have some practical knowledge that how Git works. Okay, so I suppose that you have installed your uh, you know you have already installed the Git. Okay, then first thing you have to do, just here I will create a new repository, new folder. Okay, I will create my new folder. Okay, I will git, okay, I will make it git test. Okay, make it this test. After install, okay, if you have installed your Git software in your local system successfully, you will right click, so you will get two things, Git GUI and Git Bash. You can use Git GUI, but uh, I will prefer the Git Bash because it is command based, and one thing more, that it works fast. If you will use Git UI, it will work slow, and you will not understand how the things are happening. But if you will use continuously Git Bash, you will be able to understand how the things are working behind. Okay, so just I will see here. I click the right click, then I will click the Git Bash. Okay, this is my, then I will get this window. Okay, see, so we will start working on, okay, using the commands. So first of all, uh, my favorite command is git status. Whenever I start working, okay, or whenever I try to do something, first of all I check the status. So I will check the status. So for that, git status. Okay, enter. See, fatal error. It's not a Git repository or any of the parents directory. Okay, so what it is saying, I will show you the folder. Okay, folder is still nothing is there. Okay, and this is not our, this is our working directory, but not a Git repo. So I will create, okay, as it as a Git repo. For that, my command is git init. So git init, what it does, it will make that directory a Git repository. See, I will enter. See here, initialized empty Git repository in C here. Okay, and see here in Git test, our folder is Git test working directory, and see here it is showing .git. So one directory .git is created here. We can see here. Okay, Git directory is here. All information, whatever we are okay going to do, okay, everything will be saved here. It is not magic that how it is controlling the version. Everything will be recorded in this .git folder. Okay, if you will delete this one, this will not be a Git repository. It will again become, git test will again become a just a working folder, okay, working directory. So let us start. See, this is okay. We have created our working directory as a git repository, so we got this one, but still we have not added any file. Okay, nothing is there, no content is there on which we are going to work. So first thing I will, you know, from command prompt, everything we will do from command prompt. See here. Okay, so what I will do, again I will check git status. Let me check git. Okay, what it is saying, git status on branch master. Okay, in git there is a concept of branch when we are working, okay, as a team. So everyone has his own branch. Nobody is going to work on main repository directly. Okay, everybody will work on branches, and then these branches will be merged into the main repository. Okay, so nothing to commit, no commits yet. Okay, so first of all I will create a file. Okay, just text1.txt, just a file, any file you can create. Okay, so I have created here. So I will check my repository. Text1 is okay. I have created text1. See, blank file is there. Okay, no issue. Now what I will do, I will create another file. Okay. text2.txt. You can see here text2.txt also created. Okay, got it. Now our first thing is what, if we want to, okay, monitor the changes. Okay, so first of all we have to add this file to our staging area. Okay, so what I will do, I will git add, okay, and I will add all the files. If you want to give the name of file, that only that file will be added. Okay, suppose you want to add only text1.txt, git add. Okay, I will add. See here. Now I will again check the status. Okay, git status. See what it is saying. Okay, on branch master, we are still on branch master. Our branch is the master by default. No commit yet. Changes to be committed. See here. This file, git file. This one. Any changes in this file will be committed. An untracked file. I have still a file which is not being tracked by the Git, okay, software. So see this, we have added only text1.txt by git add command. So only text1.txt will be added for to commit. Okay, only I can commit this file. I cannot commit this file because this is not being staged by using this command git add.txt. It is not our staging area. Got it? So I will commit. Okay, git commit -m. Okay, so what is the command? Git commit, then we write -10 and then any message. So these messages are very meaningful, so you can find out, you know, the versions of your files, that okay, and I did that to commit at that time, so I want to see that file. Sorry, commit text1.txt. Okay, so this is the how to write the git commit command. Okay, this is the message which will be shown. So I will enter. See here, git commit master root commit. Okay, commit text1.txt. One file changed. What happened? One file changed. Zero insertions and zero deletion. If there is any insertion in the file or deletion in the file, it will be shown here. Create mod, this one, text1.txt. Okay. Again, I will check status. See what is happening. Now here, see, earlier it was showing changes to be committed. Okay, text1.txt. Here, this is gone because already I have committed here. Okay, I have committed here. So this one gone here, the green one. Only red one. This file is untracked file is still there. Okay. Suppose I want to do some changes in text1 file. So I will go to text1 file. I will write something. Okay. I have written this one. I will save. See, I will again change. I will check the status. See what it is saying. This status is what? On branch master, change not stage for commit. Still I have not staged any changes. Okay, I have not added any file to the staging area. So what it is saying? See here, modified one file. This one is modified, but still in red color. So it means it is not added to the staging area. And this one is also from the beginning. Text2 is not added to the staging area. Okay. So what I will do? I will add git add. Okay. What to do next? Git add -a. I want to add all the files to the staging area. I have two files for now. Okay, text1 and text2. Text1 I have added a line. Okay, text2 I have done nothing. But okay, see, now again I will check my status. See, it is on changes to be committed. Okay, see, modified file and the new file, because this one I have never added to the staging area and I have never committed. So this is new file and this is modified file. Okay, so what we will do now, I will just I will add, sorry, I have added already, so I will commit simply. So the command is git commit -m and the sorry, okay, commit text1.txt and txt2, okay, dot txt. Okay, now I will see, enter. Here see, two files changed, one insertion. What is that insertion? The insertion is the line I have written there. Okay, so let's simply commit. Okay, so I hope you understand how it is working. Now again I will check the status. See, nothing to commit. Okay, git status what? On branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Okay, now again you will work on your file, so it will show that there are some change, okay, modified files. Okay, then you have to what? You have to add whatever file you want to add in the staging area. Just add over that and commit. So this way you will get all your versions. So in next this one in my next video I will show you how to check the old version of the files. So hope you understand. If you have any queries or you have any suggestions, please do let me know. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.